morning, students.
Good morning.
So today we are going to talk about the digestive system. What is the function of digestive system? Digestive system is for digesting foods. Okay, how many times a day normally we eat? 3 times, right? Breakfast and dinner, right? Okay. What are the nutrients that we need for our body? Protein, carbohydrate, and fat. What we have to break down these nutrients? Enzymes, right? For example, protein made of what? Amino acids. So the enzymes act like what? Caesar. To break down the amino acid chain into smaller pieces. As carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate will break down to the smaller pieces, which is called simple carbohydrates, okay? So let's talk about the digestion pathway, okay? We said we have 2 types of digestion, mechanical and chemical digestion, exactly. So the mechanical, it's happening in your mouth when your teeth help you to crush the food and grinding the nutrients in order to push down through your esophagus and then to your stomach. So what are the 4 types of teeth, Mohammed?
The first one is incisor,
Yes.
then sharp teeth, which are canines, then molar, then premolar.
Very good. After esophagus will down to your stomach. Inside the stomach, the food will store temporary or permanently? Of course, temporary, okay? For a minute of time. Well, beside the stomach, we have liver. It's one of the biggest organ in your body, which is produce an enzyme which is called bile. After the food will leave the stomach and then it will enter to the small intestine. Here you can see, okay, to the small intestine. A small intestine length is, yes, Abdurrahman?
6 meters long, longer than our height.
So why most digestion happening in small intestine?
Because it contains villi that absorbs all the nutrients that we need.